Class 10. We are going to start exercise 23.2, question number 6. Okay, please open your book and see question number 6. That in the book it is written, let us show that. Okay, so we have to show that LHS equals to RHS. Okay, 6.1, 6.2 I am not doing. First I am doing 6.3. So please concentrate on the board. Okay, so 6.3 question is 2 tan 50 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree equals to root 3. You have to prove that LHS equals to RHS. Means when you will solve LHS, you must get root 3. Okay, if you will get root 3, what you will write? LHS equals to RHS root. Okay, so first I will write LHS. Okay, then I will write 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. 2 I will write as it is. What is the value of tan 30 degree? You all know that tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. You have to learn that chart which I told you in the last class. 1 minus tan 30 degree, again it is 1 by root 3. But since we have square tan 30 degree, we have to give square. So it will become 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Now come here, how we will solve? 2 into 1, 2 and root 3 will remain as it is. Now division sign we will give 1 minus 1 square will give you 1, root 3 square will give you 3, because you know root 3 square means root 3 into root 3, it means it will give you 3. Okay, that is why root 3 square means 3. Okay, now I told you the last class also, whenever you have division, please make it larger so that you can distinguish between this sign and this division sign. Okay, 2 by root 3. Now take the LCM. We will get 3 as a LCM, and here 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3 minus sign. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Then after this, 2 by root 3, division sign, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Okay. Now you have to convert this division into multiplication. It will come 2 by root 3 multiply 3 by 2. It is 2 by 3. Now it will become 3 by 2. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 will cancel out. You are getting 3 by root 3. Okay. Now, but in RHS you need root 3. Okay. In RHS you need root 3. There is two things. In place of 3 you can write root 3 into root 3. Why? Because 1 3 is made up of 2 root 3. That is why in place of 3 I am writing root 3 into root 3. Okay. Now 1 root 3 will cancel out. You are getting only 3 root 3. So what you will write? LHS equals to RHS equals to means proof. Okay. LHS equals to RHS proof. Copy this one. Now class 10, see question number 6.4. It is written root over 1 plus cos 30 degree by 1 minus cos 30 degree equals to sec 60 degree plus tan 60 degree. Means in this question you have to solve LHS also as well as RHS. Why? Because in RHS you have sec 60 degree and tan 60 degree. First we will solve LHS, then we will solve RHS. Okay. First I am taking LHS. So in LHS you have 1 plus cos 30 degree by 1 minus cos 30 degree. Okay. First of all, what you will do? You will put the value of cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30 degree? Please tell me. Value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Then division, this sign always greater. 1 minus, then you have 1 minus cos 30 degree. Again 30 degree value is cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Okay. Okay. After that, I am making it larger so that you will understand. You have to take LCM. So LCM will be 1 plus root 3 by 2. Here you have nothing but 1. So 1 and 2 LCM will give LCM 2 only. 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 divided by 2. This 2 divided with this 2 will give you 1 because you know 2 ones are 2. So 1 into root 3, root 3. Again division side. Again same thing, when you will take LCM of 1 and 2, you will get LCM 2 only. 2 divided by 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2. I think you know how to take LCM. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 into root 3, root 3. Okay. Now after that, what you will do, you have to reciprocal this one, because this one is division sign. It means you have to reciprocal, means you have to convert into multiplication. When you will convert into multiplication, this 2 by root 3 by 2 will become 2 by 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now you can see 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. But this 2 will not cancel out because we have same number 2 and root 3, 2 and root 3, but we have opposite sign. At that time, what you will do, you will write 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Means whatever written here, 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 you will write. Now you have to rationalize. In which chapter you have done this one? Rationalization shirts. Now in shirts you have done that you have to rationalize when you have same numbers but opposite sign. And how to rationalize this one? You have same number 2 and root 3, so you will write 2 and root 3 up and down both. Okay. And since you have minus sign, you have to give opposite sign. Means plus sign you have to give. Again I am repeating. When you have to rationalize this one, you will write same number both up and down, but you have to change the sign. Means minus, if you have minus sign, you have to give plus sign. If you have plus sign, you have to give minus sign. Okay. Now after that, 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3, multiplication. Between this you have multiplication. So you can write 2 plus root 3 whole square by 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3. Formula of a square minus b square formula is a plus b, a minus b. So this is in the formula. See, a plus b, a minus b. So in place of a plus b, a minus b, you can write a square minus b square. It means you can write 2 square, because here we have a 2 and root 3 is b. Okay. So you can write a square minus b square, means 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Okay. Now you can't cancel this right now. First you have to solve this one, the down one, then you can cancel this one. So this one you will write as it is. Now 2 square will give you 4, then minus sign, root 3 square is 3. As you know that when root 3 multiplied 2 times, it will give you that number. Means if root 3 will multiply, it will give you 3. Understood up to here? Now I am writing this quotient because I have to solve that one. 2 plus root 3 whole square. 4 minus 3, 1. So if you will not write 1, then nothing will happen. So I am writing 2 root 3 only. Now you can cancel this square and this root. Okay. In this one you can't cancel because you have something in denominator. First you will solve this denominator, then you can remove square and root. Otherwise you will not. So you are getting 2 plus root 3 in LHS. Now in RHS what you have? Sec 60 degree plus tan 60 degree. Okay. Sec 60 degree value is how much? 10. Sec 60 degree value is 2 and tan 60 degree value is root 3. Now you can see LHS. In LHS you are getting 2 plus root 3, as well as in RHS you are getting 2 plus root 3. Then you can write LHS equals to RHS 2. Okay. Complete this one quickly. Class 1C question number 65. It is written 2 tan square 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree plus sec square 45 degree minus cot square 45 degree equals to sec 60 degree. First you have to solve LHS, then you have to solve RHS, and you have to show that LHS equals to RHS. Now I am starting from LHS. It is written 2 tan square 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree plus sec square 45 degree minus cot square 45. So 1 by 1 you will put the value. Okay. So this 2 you will write as it is, leave multiplication sign. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 and you will write whole. Why? Because square is there. So you have to write 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 and you have to give whole. Okay. Plus sec 45 degree means root 2. Sec 45 degree value is root 2 and since you have square you have to give square here. Cot square 45 degree. So cot 45 degree value is 1 and you will give 1 square. Up to here you all clear. Now you have to solve this one. Now how you will solve I am showing you. 2 you will write as it is. 1 square will give you 1. Root 3 square will give you 3 by 1 minus 1 square will give you 1. Root 3 square will give you 3. So you will write 3 here. 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, just I am opening this square. Okay, plus root 2 square will give you 2 and 1 square will give you 1. Okay, now nothing will cancel up and down, so you have to multiply 2 ones are 2 by 3. Now you have to take LCM for this, so you know 3 will be the LCM. Here 3 will come minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 will give you plus 1. Understood up to here? Now this one 2 by root 3, 2 by, okay I am not doing here, I am doing this one. 2 by root 3, 2 by 3 by 3 minus 1, 2 means 2 by 3. Here plus 1. Okay. Pause the video and please copy whatever I am doing properly. So 2 by 3, when it will convert into multiplication, it will come 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 ones are 3 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So when you will cancel in multiplication, if nothing will remain, then it means there will be 1. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Means in LHS you are getting 2. Now you have to solve RHS. In RHS what you have? Sec 60 degree. And sec 60 degree value is 2. Now you can see in LHS you are getting 2, in RHS you are getting 2. So you can write LHS equals to RHS 2. Okay, complete this one. Now class 10, see question number 6, 7. It is given sin pi by 3 tan pi by 6 plus sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2 equals to 2 sin square pi by 4. Means this question are in term of pi. See pi, in all of this you have pi in place of degree. And you know that 60 degree equals to how much? Pi by 3. 45 degree equals to how much? Pi by 4. 30 degree equals to how much? Pi by 6. Okay, like this you know. Okay, and 90 degree equals to how much? Pi by 2. And 0 degree equals to 0 only. Okay, so this one you have to know because these all are given in chart. Okay, that page number 299. Go to that page, you will get all this. Now sin pi by 3. Pi by 3. See class 10, 6, 7. It is written sin pi by 3 tan pi by 6 plus sin pi by 2 cos pi by 3. So in LHS you have sin pi by 3 tan pi by 6. Sin pi by 3 means sin 60 degree. It means what is the value of sin 60 degree? 3 by 2. Sin pi by 6 means 30 degree. Tan pi by 6 means 30 degree. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. It means tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Sin pi by 2 means 90 degree, value is 1. And cos pi by 3 means 60 degree, value is half. Okay? So you will write here half. Now 3 root 3 cancel 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 ones are 1 by 2. When you will take LCM, you will get 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now same thing you will do in RHS. In RHS you have 2 sin square pi by 4. 2 you will write as it is. Sin square pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. 4 means sin square pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. 1 square will give you 1. Root 2 square will give you 2. Now 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 will cancel out. 1 ones are 1. So in LHS you are getting 1. In RHS you are getting 1. So what you will write? LHS equals to RHS root. Okay, complete this one. Class 10, 7-2. In the question you have to find x value. What is the question? X sin 60 degree cos square 30 degree equals to tan 45 degree sec 60 degree by cosec 60 degree. You have to find x value. Okay. So what you will do? Whatever degree is given, you have to first write the value. Sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree value is also root 3 by 2, but you have to give square because you have here square. Tan 45 degree value is 1. Sec 60 degree value is 2. And cosec 60 degree value is 2 by root 3. Okay. Now you have to open the bracket. When you will open the bracket, this one only 3 square will give you 3, 2 square will give you 4, 1. Yes, this one will be greater. This give, otherwise you will get confused. 1 2s are 2, and when this one will reverse, it will give you root 3 by 2. Now this one will cancel. Here nothing will cancel, so you have to write 3 root 3. 2 4s are 8. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So you are getting only root 3. Now you have to find x value, so you will leave x alone, and all the things you will take that side. Means when you will take 3 root 3 by 8, this side it will become 8 by 3 root 3. Means root 3 will cancel out. X equals to how much? 8 by 3. Now divide this one, how much you will get? 3 2s are 6, 2 you will get. It means x equals to 2 by 3. X value you are getting 2 by 3. Copy this one. Class 10C question number 7-3, it is given x square equals to sin square 30 degree plus 4 cot square 45 degree minus x sec square 60 degree. You have to find x value, but you have here x square. First of all, what you will do, you will put the value whatever given to you, which is sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 square whole square because it is given square plus 4. Cot 45 degree value is 1 square by 1 square. Cot 45 degree value is 1, and square you have sec square 60 degree value is 2. Okay. So since you have a square, you have to give a square. After that, what you will do? You will write 1 square will give you 1, 2 square will give you 4, plus 1 square will give you 1, means 4 into 1. 2 square will give you 4. 1 by 4 plus 4 1 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 4 will cancel out. You are getting 1 by 4. Now this square will come this side, it will become 1. X equals to plus minus 1 by 2. 1 square will give you 1 root will give you 1 only, 4 root is 2. So x will give you plus minus 1. Copy this one. Class 10. See question number 8. Please read the question first from your book. If x tan 30 degree plus y cot 60 degree equals to 0 and 2x minus y tan 45 degree equals to 1, then let us try by calculating the value of x and y. Means you have to give two equations, x tan 30 degree plus y cot 60 degree equals to 0, and second one is 2x minus y tan 45 degree equals to 1. From using these two equations, you have to find value of x and y. Okay. So how you will do? It's very simple. First, in this one you will put tan 30 degree value, cos 60 degree value. So x you will write as it is. Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 plus y cos 60 degree. Y you will write as it is. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by root 3 equals to 0. X into 1, x by root 3. Y into 1, y by root 3 equals to 0. Now you will take LCM. Root 3 LCM will be root 3. Root 3 divided by root 3, 1 into x. Root 3 divided by root 3, 1 into y equals to 0. So when this root 3 will go this side and it will multiply by 0, you will get 0 only. So xy equals to 0. Equation 1. Because root 3 into 0 will give you 0. So you got equation 1, x plus y equals to 0. Now equation 2, how you will get same thing. You will write 10x, 2x minus y tan 45 degree value is 1 equals to 1. So 2x y into 1, y equals to 1. Okay, so this is equation 2. Now you can see in equation 1 you have x plus y equals to 0, and in equation 2 you have 2x minus y equals to 0. What you will do, here you have plus y, here you have minus y. What you will write, adding equation 1 and 2. In class 9 you have done linear simultaneous equation, means using two equations you can find x and y value. So adding means first you write x plus y equals to 0, x plus y equals to 0, and second equation is 2x minus y equals to 1. Okay, adding means sign will not change, so plus y minus y will cancel out. X plus 2x will give you 3x equals to 0 plus 1 will give you 1. X equals to 1 by 3. 3 will go here down, and x value you are getting 1 by 3. Now you have to find y value. You can put y value in this one also, x value in this one also, and in second equation also. It's upon you in which one you have to put. So what I am writing, putting x equals to 1 by 3 in equation 1. So what is our equation 1? X plus y equals to 0. So I am writing x plus y equals to 0. Okay, now in place of x I will put 1 by 3. Putting 1 by 3 plus y equals to 0. Now this plus y will go that side. It will become minus 1 by 3. So x value is 1 by 3 and y value is minus 1 by 3. So you got x and y value. Okay, copy this one. Class 10, see question number 9. It is written, if a equals to b equals to 45 degree, let us justify. Question number 1 is sin a plus b equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Means angle A is given 45 degree, B is also given 45 degree, and they are telling to justify Roman 1. So what we will do in Roman 1, first I will take LHS. In LHS you have sin A plus B. Okay, so you will write sin, and A value is A is 45 degree, write 45 degree. Then again plus sign, I am making plus sign. B value is again 45 degree. Okay, so sin 45 plus 45, 90 degree, and sin 90 degree value is 1. So in LHS you are getting 1. Same you will do in RHS also. So in RHS what you have, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now sin A, sin you will write, A value is 45, so you will write 45. Then cos you will write, and B value is also 45, 45. Then plus sign is here. Now again cos, A value is 45 degree, sin B, sin 45 degree. Now what is the value of sin 45 degree? Sin 45 degree is 1 by 2 or root 2. 1 by root 2. So you will write 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is again 1 by root 2. In between these two you have to do multiplication. Then plus sign, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is again 1 by. So 1 into 1, 1, root 2 into 2. 1 into 1, 1, root 2 into root 2, 2. Then you will take the LCM and name here. 2 will be the LCM. 2 divided by 2, 1, 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 divided by 2, 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. 2 under 2, 2 under 2. In LHS you are getting 1, as well as in RHS you are getting 1. So what you will write, LHS equals to RHS justified. Okay, because they are telling you to justify this one, we justify. That is why I am telling you to write justify. Okay, because they are telling you to justify this one. Copy this one. Class 10 your homework is exercise 23.2, question number 5, 6. This is 6. Okay, I forgot to give you last day, so I am giving this is 6, 5, 6, 6, 1, 2, and 6, 7, 1, 9, 2. If you have any queries related to any sums, you can ask me in the given email ID, and by tomorrow you have to submit your homework. Thank you.